Hello everyone. In this video we will study the structure of human sperm, which is a part of chapter number 3. Now if you talk about human sperm, it has four main parts. First is the head, then a very short neck, then the middle piece, and then comes the tail. So we will see the same structures here in the diagram on the right. This is the head, then comes a short neck, then a long middle piece, and of course the tail. Tail is long because it contains flagella, and because flagella is present as a tail, that is why sperms, they are the motile gametes. Now another important thing is that head on its top, it contains a structure which is known as acrosome, and here is the acrosome. Now acrosome is actually a bag full of enzymes that basically helps in penetrating the female gamete so that the nucleus which is there in the head, it can go into the female gamete. So once acrosome penetrates the female gamete, it ruptures the female gamete so that the contents of the sperm can go in. And you know, for fertilization to happen, both the nuclei, they have to fuse together. So acrosome does a major part because it contains the enzymes that helps in breaking the wall of the female gamete. Beside this, head is prominently covered by plasma membrane, means the membrane on the outer side that gives it a particular shape. It gives protection as well. In the head region, as I said just now, the nucleus is present. This nucleus is haploid in nature, means it contains 23 chromosomes, which are half to that of the chromosomes present in the somatic cells. Just after the head, the next piece is the neck. So neck is the second part, head was the first part. In the neck, there are two centrioles which are located. One is known as the proximal centriole and another is known as the distal centriole. Just after this, the next part is the middle piece. Middle piece contains numerous mitochondria, and you know the role of mitochondria as a cell organelle, that it helps in producing, very good, it helps in producing energy. So here mitochondria, they are numerous, and these mitochondria which are present in the middle piece, they will provide the energy to the sperm for its movement until fertilization will not happen. So middle piece is the place where maximum mitochondria are concentrated, and of course tail is a structure that contains flagella, and this helps in the movement. This makes the human sperm motile, because female gametes, they are immotile, they will not be able to move. So it is always male gamete has to go into the female genital tract. It will travel from the external genitalia to the internal genitalia, and it will reach the fallopian tube. It has to reach the ampulla isthmic junction because that was the site where fertilization has to occur. So once it reaches there, the probability of fertilization increases. Thank you.